Ever wondered how our roads stay safe and efficient? It's not just about traffic cameras anymore. Today, we're going behind the scenes to see how cutting-edge software is making a difference. Forget the days of endless video footage review. Meet MiniAn, a revolutionary video analytics software that goes beyond simply recording traffic. Imagine these cameras capturing a wealth of real-time data, but instead of passive observation, MiniAn analyzes everything, becoming your intelligent assistant for road monitoring. MiniAn boasts powerful automatic detection, no more tedious manual counting or error-prone human observation. The software automatically identifies vehicles, meticulously classifying them by type. Is it a car, a truck, a motorcycle? It tracks their speed, pinpoints their lane position, and even logs the time of their passage. This level of detail ensures you have a complete picture of what's happening on your roads. Now, all this valuable data needs a safe home. That's where MiniAn shines again. It seamlessly transfers all the captured information, like vehicle types and speeds, into Google Sheets. Every 2 minutes, MiniAn uploads a batch of data, creating a clear and organized record. No more sifting through hours of footage. But data is only powerful when you use it. Here's where the magic happens. Charts and graphs. MiniAn transforms raw data into easy-to-understand visuals. See traffic patterns, identify peak hours, and understand vehicle flow at a glance. Data-driven decisions. With these insights, you can make informed choices, optimize traffic flow, improve safety measures, and even plan for future infrastructure needs. What is MiniAn? Customized software that extracts data from videos, transforms visual information into text for analysis. Simplify your security and analytics with MiniAn Software. Visit our website to learn more and see how you can enhance your own business monitoring today.